Assalamu alaikum, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel MD Paradise. Today I am making tie and dye dupatta. I have cotton dupatta and want to share with you. Fold and make 4 layers like this. Then fold again in the center. Pinch above the center like this. Hold and wrap with plastic string in equal spaces. Watch my full video and share my video. Dye your own dupatta and create ultimate new wardrobe. Now the dupatta is ready for dyeing. I am dyeing in red color. I am preparing dye. Add powder color in a cup. Add water. Mix well. Then add in boiling water. Add 1 tablespoon salt and mix. I am adding dupatta. And boil in 5 minutes. Now add in normal tap water for excess color. Squeeze. You can see the result. You can make your own tie and dye dupatta at home. Very beautiful. Thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.